It is with immense pride and joy that I stand before you today to celebrate a momentous occasion. The felicitation of our brilliant students who have achieved remarkable success in JEE and NEET examination. Today, I am thrilled to share with you that Stellar has once again demonstrated its commitment to excellence by producing exceptional achievers. We are immensely proud to have mentored Master Supash Odankar, the JEE topper of Goa State, Master Tarun Kumar, the NEET topper of Goa State, and Miss Alaya Dikruz, BITSET topper of Goa State. Along with these toppers, I congratulate all our meritorious students for their stellar performance.
We have hundreds of children who have scored more than 523, but could not get an opportunity like some of you who are here, only because limited seats are there. This is where the competition crops in, but since we have a leader of education and a political leader, Shirodkarji, I would just mention that if it is possible, if we can take the seats into 250, because this year they have already done increase from 180 to 200. Some more students who have talents, put in so much of effort, can also get into the noble profession of medicine. I hope and plead for the government to increase a little bit so that all those students who have put in so much of effort can also get into an opportunity to pursue medicine.
I would congratulate all the scholars. In fact, I would say this is one of the beautiful days for me, that meet the scholars. What I've been always saying, at least once in a week or once in a month in my campus to meet my scholars. The scholars may be of a 5th class, the scholars may be of a 10th class, the scholars may be of a 12th science or maybe of engineering or maybe of homeopathy. Friends, it is education and only education that can, what I should say, take up an individual or a family or a state or a village to greater heights. Don't forget to have an alumni of Stellar Academy. All the students of a 12 should join this. Fortunately, we are having now gadgets like WhatsApp and all that. All the boys and girls of passed out this badge should be a part of this alumni and very active. Whichever corner of the world you may be, but then you have to be a part of this. I tell you that.